and welcome to our YouTube channel, Rubal Solutions. Reading and knowing about some of the terms related to insurance, decided to share with my Rubal Solutions family. As here on this channel, we tell you the basic things in the simple English language. We really hope and wish that it's helpful and useful. Now let's get started. Define life insurance. Life insurance or life assurance, especially in Commonwealth of Nations, is a contract between an insurance policy holder and an insurer or assurer, where the insurer promises to pay a designated beneficiary a sum of money upon the death of an insured person. Depending on the contract, other events such as terminal illness or critical illness can also trigger payment. The policyholder typically pays a premium either regularly or as one lump sum. The benefits may include other expenses such as funeral expenses. Life policies are legal contracts, and the terms of each contract describe the limitation of insured events. Often specific exclusions written into the contract limit the liability of insurer. Common examples include claims related to suicide, fraud, war, rights, and civil communications. Difficulties may arise where an event is not clearly defined. For example, the insured knowingly incurred a risk by consenting to an experimental medical procedure or by taking medication resulting in injury or death. Modern life insurance bears some similarity to the asset management industries, and life insurance have devastated their product offering into retirement products such as annuities. Life-based contracts tend to fall into two major categories: protection policies designed to provide a benefit, typically a lump sum payment, in the event of specified occurrence, a common form, more common in years, of the protection policy designed in the term insurance. Investment policies. The main objective of this policy is to facilitate the growth of capital by regular or single premiums. Common forms are whole life, universal life, and variable life policies. We really hope you get to know about this topic. Interested people, please spread the educational knowledgeable video on our channel. We are really grateful and thankful for the same. In the end, we would like to say that please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. Love, love. Have a nice day.